All right, now that we've built that object, we're going to spend this time creating a data table. And we're actually not going to use this object in our code, so we can comment it out. We don't really want that because we're going to get the information from a data table. So how do we do that? We go to the data tab and we create a new table. And we'll just call this one foods because it's going to be a table with rows of different foods. And what do we want to use for the columns? What we want to use for the columns are these variable names, the properties of our food object. So food name, category, description, and so forth. So first column, we'll make it food name. Then we'll add another column and we'll make this category. And we've already messed up here. So column 1 should be food name. And this, we don't know yet. Category. What else do we have? Description. We also want a column for submitted by, likes count, and URL. So column 4 will make submitted by, likes count, and then image URL. And when you're making these column names, notice that the ID column gets defaulted in for you. AppLab supplies that automatically. But we also want to go in here and we want to tell AppLab what data type each column will be. So food name will be a string, category will be a string, description will be a string, submitted by will be a string, likes count is actually going to be a number, and the URL, although it's a long, complicated looking data type, it's just a string. So there we go. We've created a data table with columns, and notice that the columns match the names of our variable. That's going to make things a lot simpler and straightforward. So next video, we'll talk about creating records in that database.